Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm going to ask you a little bit of a sticky question, but I think it's one that maybe might come to mind for a lot of us. Is say I am on day 6 of the program, I'm doing well, I've done my prep meals, I've got my smoothie ready, my refrigerator is full of vegetables, and all of a sudden I am like craving a double cheeseburger with fries on the side, and the cravings are coming on strong, and I'm just like, I just want to quit. I'm halfway there. But at the same time, I'm like, should I just give up? What would you say to someone who gets to that point and feels like quitting?
Okay, good question too. You have a lot of good questions. So first thing I would say is keep your eyes on the prize. You know, like I would say be focused, but I know we all get off track, but know why you're doing something, or understand your why, understand the reason why you're doing it. I mean, don't just do it because of what, you know, have that in front of you. Are you doing this to really detox and just see a better you at the end, or just make progress with your health, and have something really strong, like a strong reason behind why you're doing it. And when you get to that point, because maybe the first 3 days can be a bit challenging, but once you get past that, your body will adjust to this new, diet that you're putting on. And your body loves this thing. Your body loves natural food. It's not cooked food. This is how we were created. Like from the beginning, Adam and Eve, they were in the garden. They didn't have stoves. They didn't have anything. So, and the smoothies, they're all natural. There's, nothing chemically made or anything. They're all natural foods that our body loves. So once your body adjusts to that, it's just going to love it and just help you get through it. So the first 3 days may be a little hard, but if you get through that, that'll be fine. And so when you find yourself getting distracted, you have some cravings, and that will begin to show you what the things you need to work on. If you start having cravings for something, so maybe you need to kind of check that. Maybe you have an addiction in that area, and that's why we will address things like that through the devotional. So kind of bring yourself back, shift the focus off of the food. So if you're kind of you're having this challenge where maybe you feel like eating meat, or you feel like eating chocolate or something, take your focus off of the food and just begin to focus on just the emotional wellness part, because whatever you focus on, that's what becomes big. That's what constantly your mind goes to. So take the focus off of what the distraction is and put it on something else. Put it on your goal, put it on just like, okay, well, maybe I have an addiction. What can I do to be better at this? Maybe I need to go to the addiction section and really walk through the process and get rid of that addiction. So those are some of the things that you can do, or just go to the support group and be like, hey, look, I feel like quitting. I need someone to cheer me on. We'll be there, we'll answer, and we'll cheer you on to the end.
That's great. And then
one more thing that you can do is we have more than 20 testimonials in the book. You can go and read it. Like, these are true life stories of people that have done it. You read about the struggles and the things that they did to make them successful. So you can go ahead and read that as an encouragement to help you get to the end.